Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage screensaver settings on Epson Smart TV Projector. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings in the top right corner of the screen, then go to device preferences and here scroll down till you see screensaver, enter it. Here you'll be able to adjust your screensaver with backdrop or with colors, so that means when your projector is idle, it will change between two different options. You can check them out if you like. Then we have to set when this inactivity begins, and by default it's set to 15 minutes, and we can here change it to 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours. Then we have put device to sleep, so that means your projector basically turns off and it goes into sleep mode. It doesn't power off, but the entire display shuts down and you will need to wake it up by clicking on the power key or on your remote. And here you can also change it when does this happen, between 30 minutes to 12 hours, or you can also set it to never. You can also start it right now by clicking on start now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.